mai. Kia ora, my name is Devon.
I mora te rau winter school, I'm Caden. It's Ratu the 11th of August.
We start today's news with the circuit plan of getting the All Blacks to Winton School.
Everyone's dressed in the correct colours and we're having a run through of Tahu Pōtuki after lunch. Then it's showtime.
Some health and safety news. There is a lot of mud and ice out there, people.
Please make sure you are playing in the areas that are clean and relatively dry.
Also, remember about walking around quarters that are beat and be mindful of the slippery concrete. Kia ora.
Okay, on to Te Kipu o Te Wiki. This week's word is omoi,
which is tēnā for sleep. It is an e o te moi e te tau. Did you have a good sleep, darling?
Yes. Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing the high-vis vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Last notice for the day. Science fair students, please meet in the library at 12:40 with a laptop. Okay, that's all for today from everyone here at the NEWS team. Ka kite pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, stay classy with school, like me.